Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to tell you a little bit about something I just ordered and got in the mail. I'm super excited. It's called the BrowGal by Tonya Crooks. What it is a eyebrow gel pretty much, and you put it on your eyebrows, and this one is tinted, so it adds color. I think I got the medium brown one. I'll see when I open it, but it's tinted. I think it's medium brown. My eyebrows are like medium to dark brown, and basically what it does is it's a gel, so it holds your eyebrows in place and it gives them a little bit of color. And I've been using pencil for a very long time because when I was in high school, like thin eyebrows were very like in style, and I over tweezed and over waxed and yada yada, and now I thread them and I've been trying to grow them in, but I still have, I know this is common too, a lot of women have this, but I have like holes that just kind of won't grow back. But I don't want to like be too crazy with using the pencil, which I know you could go light, but I'm just trying to use a gel for right now and skip the pencil. So it basically what it does is it really saves you time, because then you don't have to like stare in the mirror for a long time and like make sure you have like the pencil correct. It's just basically a gel, very easy to glide on, and it just works really well, because I've actually ordered this before and I just ran out and I had to order another one. One thing I do want to say, I'll show you when I open it up, which frustrated me a little bit on my last one. When you open it, it kind of looks like a mascara wand, and after a while of using it, the mascara wand, the whole like stick kind of broke off, and it actually got stuck in the tube, so that was a little bit annoying. I had to go ahead and order a new one. So let's see on the box here. Ooh, whoops, spilled, dropped in the sink. On the box here, let's see what it says. The net weight, 0.113 ounces. I think you could order a larger one if you want to. It is for all skin types, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. And the box is recyclable. There's the barcode on the back. Lists the ingredients: aqua, glycerin, stearate, methyl, methylchirate, prosprimer, polypropylene. I'm just going to show you guys this because I don't want to keep butchering the words for you. Sodium acrylate, sodium, yeah, I won't even try to do that. But you guys get the gist of it. There's all the ingredients listed. Made in China, designed in California. The BrowGal LLC, just the website is listed here. At the bottom, thebrowgal.com, and then the distributor, I don't know if that's I guess the company, oh yeah, the LLC is in Paris, France, and then I guess the distributor is in West Hollywood, California. Box is pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you guys what it looks like inside. Oh, and I just wanted to show you this too. Okay, so this is number 2, instant. It's for brown hair, the instant brow gel. So I guess they have for all different hair colors. They probably have a blonde one for black hair, one for red hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show you guys. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. Inside, it is completely wrapped in a plastic sealant. And then it says on here that the Insta-Tint Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. So it says there. I'm going to go ahead and open it now. Alright, so here we go. I just opened up a product, so you could see like the plastic I have all over my counter. So this is what it looks like inside. This is the wand. It's very thin, which is nice. It could give you a really precise shape and definition for your eyebrows. For each eyebrow, I kind of just dip the wand in the tube once, and that gives me plenty of the eyebrow gel. And like I said, this whole stick broke off in the first one that I ordered after a couple of weeks. So just try to not be, I think maybe I was being too rough with it. So just try not to be too rough with it. Be pretty gentle so that that doesn't happen to you. But I'm sure if it does, that they'll replace it. I just went ahead and ordered it. So, but yeah, I think it's overall a really great product and doesn't make your eyebrows like too boxy or too like shaped looking. It looks a lot more natural, which I love. And it doesn't look like you filled in your eyebrows. Like, you know, with pencil, a lot of time you can make your eyebrows look fake. This makes it totally natural, and no one could tell that you even have anything on your eyebrows because it's just a tinted gel. Much, much more natural, precise, and gives it the look of microblading. So hope that you guys try out the BrowGal, and I hope you love it, and I thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it helps. Thanks, guys.